nice outside, but I need to go make some graphics. Okay, quick thing before we get into it. This video is sponsored by Adobe Express, and that is what I've been using for my graphics workflow for a while now. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways of using this tool. All the details and the link for you to try it out are in the description. Okay, here's where I'm at. I am doing a full brand refresh for my membership because everything was looking a little bit all over the place. I'm doing what I need to do to make sure everything looks nice and cohesive. But here's the thing about the platform that I actually host my membership on. For every video, I need to make 3 sizes of cover photos. Some places need it to be horizontal, some places need it to be vertical, some places need it to be square, depending on where it shows up on the site. And I'm not gonna lie, usually I just make the one and call it a day, and I'm like, if it doesn't look good, it doesn't look good. Because making graphics, not my favorite thing, especially resizing stuff because you just have to start over in a new project. But haha, now we don't have to do that. I can resize them all inside of one project. Let me show you. We are inside of Adobe Express, and I've already got my brand kit loaded, which is something that you can do. It just takes a little bit of work, but then you don't have to go and search for your color codes anymore, your font anymore. Take a little bit of time to do it. If you want me to show you how I do that, let me know. We can totally do that in another video, but really worth it. You can find that over here under brands, and you can make multiple brands if you need to. But this is what I'm working with for updated image for this particular video in my membership. Got 2 different options that I'm playing with, and this is just the horizontal version. So we also need to make the tall version and the square version. If you head to this cute little button right here, resize, it's my bestie. I'm going to click on that with the image that I want to resize, and then we will type in the first one we need to make, which is 1188 by 1682, and we will duplicate and resize because I don't want to lose this one. So make sure you do duplicate and resize. Amazing. So we've got a couple of different options here. We'll start with that one because we're going to make some adjustments to it, but that of the ones we have, that's the one I like the most. Now let's do the same for our next size, which is 1080 by 1080. And duplicate and resize. This one. Let's keep that one. So for this first one, now we've got 3 different sizes. So if I wanted to do the same for this one, we can go through the same process, but let's just play with what we got right now. It is pretty good. It has all the same elements. I don't have to build it from scratch, but we've got options to play with it to make it look the best it can in this particular size. Yeah, that's nice. We got this one, and then let's do the same for this. I'm gonna shift the background over, a little bit more of the plant right there. Make sure this is centered nicely. Make it more bigger. All right, let's see how these look. This is nice. So when it shows up in different places in my catalog, the sizes will be correct instead of looking like this. Like, what is this? What is this? It's lazy. That's what that is. And when we are ready, I will select these ones and then I will download them to my computer so I can upload them to the platform. And of course, if you need other sizes for the social media platforms, because each of them is a special little butterfly that requires its own dimensions, we can do that super easy. It used to be such a hassle, but now it's all right there. It's all right there. Now would you look at that? It's so much better. So much better. Just a little bit of time. It was super easy to do. You saw it. And as quick as all that was, I want you to realize the actual point here. As a professional creative, you need to find the ways to make things efficient and quick so you have time to do the other things that you actually do enjoy doing more. I mean, if you love resizing, you can do it manually yourself, but I don't love doing that. So I use tools like this, but you cannot be in your creator cave all day and expect to have anything real to say when you get to the internet. Your job is to be a person that makes things. So first, you need to go be a person out in the world so then you can make things that are actually interesting. So use the right tools, get the work done, and then go outside, please.
Look at you. Oh, yes, look at you. Oh, this is a baby.
And so if you need to do a brand refresh or you just don't want to resize things like I do because graphics is not your thing, then use Adobe Express because it's built in. And then you can just go back outside. You can comment, express, or look for the link in the description. Oh, I said go poop. All right, now go outside.